and welcome to my channel Cosmic Science. What if one day suddenly everything seizes down, everything falls to the ground? What if a bird which is flying ceases to fly, gets freezed? What if a planet which is going around the sun is freezes or ceases to revolve? What if suddenly the whole universe gets seized and gets freezed? What will happen? Is this possible? If your answer is yes, then there is a question. Time is independent of events. To investigate further whether time is independent of events, we can say that we can ask some questions. In physical processes such as day-to-day life events like moving of vehicles, rotating fan, these are all usual activities that are happening. If they cease, so you can ask questions. You can ask questions that all the things can move faster or slower, or they can be earlier or later. So if the things are if the events are twice the speed, or events are too slow in nature, in conclusion, what it says is that time is independent of events. Time is not bound whether the event is occurring slow or fast, or earlier or later, or at a high speed or a slower speed. It doesn't matter. Time it goes in its own speed, in its own nature of time. So this was about reductionism and Platoism. So this was a analogy given by the scientists. Furthermore discussion about this is, see, when things get stopped, the time will get stopped. It is an analogy, but it doesn't happen. Time will go on even though the object is not moving. The event will occur. It is independent of time, and time is independent of events. Both are independent of one another. Time doesn't depend on events that occur, and events that occur doesn't depend on time. It means that events can change their speed, or they become slower, faster, earlier, later, or they can be faster, slower, and there are many possibilities which are the physical analogies or physical theories which day-to-day life we experience. Ultimately it says that time is independent of events that are occurring around us. If you drive a bike, if I drive a bike with the speed of 150 kilometers per hour, the time will go as fast it is. It will never change its speed. I got an idea of Einstein's saying, when you are sitting in front of a girl, the time goes faster, and when you are sitting in front of a classroom, the time goes slower. This is the additional part was of me actually. So I feel the time goes slow when I am in front of a board. So this was the analogy of Einstein. So time is always in a constant manner, and events can change, and it is not dependent on time, or time is independent of events. So with this small discussion about time and events, let's wind it up, and I'll come up with the new ideas and concepts to discuss with you all. And just I'll leave you a question: is this possible that everything can freeze and cease to be in motion? Is it possible? Can time stop? Can the series of the events can stop the time? I'll leave this question to you. Please comment down below your answer, and see you in the next video with a new topic and with energy, high energy and enthusiasm of the same level you are showing. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to answer the question below. So with this I'll take you a leave and see you in the next video. Till then, stay enthusiastic, stay motivated, and whatever the problems comes in your life, please face them and be healthy, be strong and stay calm. Thank you.